Hey y'all, we just got back from Sandals Grenada. We took some of our best friends and family with us, and we want you to come along today for day one of our trip to Sandals Grenada. We're gonna show you the check-in process, we're gonna show you our room, and we're gonna show you the pool for the first time. So come along and dream big with us. So we landed about midday at the Grenadian airport, and it was really not crowded at all. We got right through and into the van, and the resort was only like 5 minutes away, so it was a really awesome way to start the trip. As we got out of the van, they had these cold towels waiting on us. These are always refreshing after a long travel day. And as we got checked in, we had to have our first toast. The process was really smooth, and they got us right over to our rooms to get checked in. And this was our room. We had a walkout on the first floor. We had this awesome soaking tub. And here's our bed. They had it all dressed up for us because we were celebrating our retie the knot. And we had a great view of the pool right outside. Once we got situated, we got ready to go to the pool, and this pool is amazing. Dino's was right next door to the pool, so we went over and got some pizzas, and they had this really cool thing here. It had chicken patties, popcorn, and beef patties, and they always had it stocked, so you just went up and grabbed them. So we just decompressed, had some drinks, and had some food. It was the beginning of a great weekend. And then we headed back to the room after we were done to get ready for dinner.
Quick interruption. I know planning a vacation can be overwhelming, but I'm here as your travel advisor to help you book and plan your next vacation so your only job is to relax and have fun. If you're looking to plan a vacation, use the link in the comments below to request a quote. Now back to the video.
Our first night was the all-white night, so we got dressed and we headed down to Cucina Romano, which is the Italian restaurant on the property. This restaurant was really good. It was one of our favorites the entire trip, and we had a great time with the staff there. And every single piece of food we had that night was 5 out of 5 perfection. And after dinner, we headed over to the living room, which is the main gathering area at night for the activities. And as you can see, at night, this property is beautiful as well. And what we noticed right away at Sandals Grenada is the customer service there is top notch. The bartenders, the performers, everyone there is catering to every need you have, and they're all amazing.
And you ain't gotta ask, you know we running it. Flip the script and keep y'all wondering. Hot topic, I stay bubbling. Big pesos, I don't take no. Try to keep up, ready, set, go.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Are you feeling yourself?
Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
So we had some fun, and then we headed to bed because it was a long travel day. Thanks for coming along with us today, and don't forget to join us for day two.